Hey everyone, JP here with PipeKit coming at you with another Argo Workflows video. Today we're going to be talking about HTTP templates. HTTP templates are a type of work template that is a convenience wrapper for an HTTP request. So let's take a look at an example. This is from the Argo Workflows official documentation, and here we have a sample workflow. So within the workflow, we've got two templates. The first is an orchestration template. That's going to be a steps template that is invoking the work template, which is the HTTP template. We'll skip the steps template and look at the HTTP template here. So taking a look at it, you'll see that the HTTP template has a special HTTP keyword that has a couple other keywords underneath. And if you're familiar with how HTTP requests work, these might look pretty similar to what you're used to dealing with. So the first one that you'll see is a timeout seconds keyword. And this is going to be the length of time in seconds before the request gets terminated. So the default is going to be 30. I'd recommend keeping that there unless you want to do a query that's getting rich media. So let's say like video or just a long list of like tabular data that's going to be taking up a normally long time within the request and response. So again, just kind of keep that default at 30. I think that makes the most sense. Next is the URL. This one's pretty self-explanatory. So in this example, it's going to take it as a parameter, and the URL is going to be a request to google.com. Next, we have the method field, and this takes any of the standard HTTP methods. So in this example, it's doing a GET request, but you can also do post, put, patch, delete, what have you. Next, we then have the headers. So this is going to be a list of key value pairs. So you'll take the name and then the value. So if you want to do something like set your cores headers or set an authentication header, like let's say a bearer token, you would do it within the headers array. Next, we have the success condition. This is a pretty cool field. So it allows you to evaluate the response, and based on something that is contained within the response, return whether or not this step within the Argo workflow is going to be a success or a failure. So in this example, it's evaluating the response body and seeing if it contains the string of Google. And if it does not contain the string of Google, then this HTTP step is going to return as a failure. Note this is only available in Argo Workflows 3.3 or later, so make sure you are on a relatively recent version. At the time of recording this video, I think the latest version is 3.5.4. Yeah, so 3.5.4. So if you are installing Argo Workflows anytime recently, you should be well beyond this cutoff here. And then lastly is the body. So this is the request body that you're going to send. This isn't really useful for GET requests, but any of those like post, put, patch type requests, the request body will be useful. All right, once again, my name is JP with PipeKit. If you are interested in professional services surrounding Argo workflows, data infrastructure, data engineering, data science, come check us out at pipekit.io. And yeah, great seeing you.